All right, so we are back. We're gonna just head over. Now, there's two things. You could either open this up and click on here, or just click on the little feather. It's gonna bring you right to the content generation, and as it says, generate AI-powered content for your social media. And now, what's really cool about this page and this way of doing things is you can take content from your own library that you have already of social media content, whether that be LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. You can take it pretty much from anywhere. You can take any piece of content, be even a blog, and copy and paste the text within this particular field. And what this is going to do is it's going to analyze it and it's going to use your brand voice to create content in a platform specific way. And so what that looks like is, for example, I'm going to just pull some content that I have from my LinkedIn. Let's see here. I'm going to open this up. A second here. More. Okay. And I'm just going to copy and paste this piece of content. And you can see there's no limit here, so you can copy and paste as much or as little as you want. Right? And so this is a pretty long LinkedIn post. And so from here, all you do is hit generate content. And what it's going to do is it's going to work its magic. It's doing all types of analytics, what the context is, what your brand voice is, what words are being used. And it's going to format it and put it in a way that sounds like you, but doesn't copy the content. It actually is going to create fresh content for you and add it in a specific format. Now, so this here is the brutal truth why most LinkedIn creators never make it. And my post was about the reason why most LinkedIn creators crash and burn, right? In regards to creating content, in regards to failing to pivot when things don't work out, etc. Right? And so I just want to read this to you in regards to the quality here. So this is the brutal truth why most LinkedIn creators never make it. Most creators think success is about grinding out content every day, but here's what they're missing completely. Right? Your LinkedIn strategy isn't about consistency; it's about relentless adaptation. Right? And so you could read through this. I will leave a copy of this in the comments below so you can take a look at it and see the quality of content that you get from this. But this is just one of the examples. You do the same thing here for a Twitter post, and what's really cool about this is you can copy and paste this here, and it's not going to copy the content and say the same thing. It's going to generate it specifically for a Twitter post and that actual outline in that style, right? So here you go. Most creators think LinkedIn success is linear. Wrong. The growth is messy. Experiment, fail, pivot, repeat. Pro tip: your unique voice beats copying others. Track real conversations, not likes. And then it gives you some hashtags, right? And this is specific and in the amount of characters you need for Twitter. And so what you can do is you can take one piece of content and create 7 pieces of content. The story breakdown, you can use that in a story on your Instagram. You can use it as a script to talk on live or however. This mini guide allows you to take the content that you are creating and turn it into a how-to and break down what you would need to do in order to not make those mistakes or in order to solve a particular problem. So as you can see, there's a lot of different things that you can do here. Really cool about the Instagram is that when you create a post here using that, it actually gives you an image prompt, which will allow you to take this and put it in a Dolly 3 or into Fall AI or to Flux or to one of those content generators, image generators, and make it specific to the post that you are creating. And the cool thing here is, again, you can create carousels, which will break down. I think it goes up to 5. I'm working on putting it a little bigger, but we want to keep content at a nice clip where people can read it, understand what you're trying to say, and move on, right? So a lot of it is not extensive in the sense of how long, but I would say the LinkedIn posts are pretty solid. The Twitter threads are also a good amount of content because they're supposed to be long form content, right? So that's how this particular feature works. As you can see, the content stays here, and it also goes over to your content library as well. As you can see, this is the Twitter post, this is the Twitter thread, here's the LinkedIn post about the brutal truth. So it automatically moves over to your content library. So you don't have to necessarily create the content and then put it on your platform right away. You can save it and come back to it and edit it how you see fit, and then post it. Add it to your favorite content uploader or scheduler, and be on your merry way. But this allows you to take any type of content, whether it be a blog, a script, anything like that, or just your regular content where it's text, and create your brand voice, unique, professional content in a matter of seconds. So I hope you see the power of this and what you can do. You come in here, you play with it, and you can see how these all format. And we're going to move on to the next page, which is your content revival page. And this is my favorite. So I'll see you there.